Hello, as you can see, today we have a beautiful car, Volkswagen Scirocco. Owner is telling us that we have a problem with air conditioning system. So what we will do, we will connect the diagnosis tester, we will connect the manometers, and we will see if there is a problem with AC. As you saw already, from the vents we have too high temperature. We connect the manometers and we use the static method. We check that refrigerant is in the system. Now we'll turn on the engine and we will see what will happen with pressure. After turning on the car, on the manometers you saw that the high pressure is too low. What we will do now, we'll connect the air conditioning station and we will check how much refrigerant we have in the system. We received 450 grams of refrigerant. According to producer, in this AC system should be 525 grams. So probably we have a leak. What we will do now, we will use the forming gas to check where is the leakage. During procedure, searching of the leak in the AC system, we found another problem. The clamp is blocking the fan. So we will leave the car and we will see what will happen. As you can see, the fan is blocked by clamp. Engine is moved. Why? Because we don't have screw in mounting bracket. Doesn't matter, we'll fix it, but now we want to find the leak in AC system. As you saw, we have a leakage on the condenser. So what we'll do now, we'll remove some parts from the car. We change the condenser, we check the AC system for the leakages using the forming gas, but take a look. The radiator is damaged. Also, the clamp damaged our fan blades. Because NRF has these parts on the stock, we'll change these parts and we mount all other parts on the car. Let's start. Car is already assembled. Now we must put the screw which is holding the engine. Why? Because as you saw, the engine moved to the front of the car and destroyed the fan. Car is ready for road. Thank you for watching and see you on next episodes.